If you're a golfer who has had persistent or recurrent lower back pain or sciatica for months or years, this video will confirm for you the importance of really understanding your pain. Okay, so in one of my earlier videos for golfers with persistent back problems, I stressed the importance of prioritizing your lower back pain and sciatica. That if you don't prioritize it, it's hard to achieve a long-term solution. But what will you actually be doing to achieve your goal? That will be determined by your understanding of your own lower back pain or sciatica. Everyone has their own unique experience of pain. There is no one size fits all, no one YouTube answer. If you find someone on Google or YouTube promising you that this set of exercises or this supplement is the answer to your pain, I'd put the odds on that as being less than 1 in 10, because your back problem is unique to you. It's not the same as mine. What's important is that you have a framework, one that works regardless of the cause of your pain. The models we use at ActiveX and the rules of rehabilitation are constant for all of us. Having specialised in the non-surgical treatment of lower back pain and sciatica for over 30 years, I've noticed some people don't want to understand what's wrong with their back. That's because they don't want to do the work. They just want someone else to fix them. If that's you, I'd stop watching right now. Or better yet, share this video with a friend who is ready to do the work. Relief can be a passive process, but prevention definitely cannot. Remember that belief, optimism versus pessimism, is one of the strongest predictors of long-term pain. It's vitally important that you're aware of this. If you've reached the point of prioritizing, then you now need to understand, because you are the one who will be doing the work. You will be the one enabling your lower back to heal. And you'll be the one reducing the sensitivity. And you'll be the one practicing preventer exercises and everything else that may prove to be necessary. You will need to understand what to do and how to do it. I cannot personally guide you through this process in a YouTube video because there's lots of ground to cover. I'd have to give you all the information you need, and then we'd have to piece together what's necessary for you. We do run paid programs where we do a lot of the heavy lifting for you in terms of targeting what you need to prioritize, understand, and systemize. And we then help you to hang in there. One really important point is that if you want a long-term solution, then it's important to understand that relief and prevention are two very different processes. There are lots of things you can do to help get temporary relief from your lower back pain or sciatica, but none of them will help to prevent it from recurring. You could try heat or cold, or massage or acupuncture or manipulation or painkillers, relaxation or meditation. One or more of these may help relieve your pain, but they won't stop it from happening again. Here's a metaphor for you. When I was a teenager, I hit my thumb with a hammer. What did I do? I jumped up and down and shook it like crazy. Now, there are proven neurological mechanisms which explain how this shaking it actually lessens your pain. Now, next time I came to swing a hammer, did I jump around and shake my thumb before I swung the hammer? No, that would just be stupid. I swung the hammer differently, made sure my thumb wasn't in the way. Shaking it provides relief, but it doesn't provide prevention, does it? It's the same with your back. If you want a long-term solution, you have to do something differently with your back. You have to find out the true underlying causes, not just relieve the symptoms. This is what we do with our cliff of pain model. We help you to work out your relievers, aggravators, triggers, and risks. It's only by working on the risks that you can stop the problem from happening again. This is the only way you can achieve the long-term solution you're craving. You don't have to understand everything about lower back pain and sciatica, but this is one thing you do need to know. Now, if you'd like one of the ActiveX team to guide you through the Cliff of Pain map, discovering your own triggers, aggravators, and risks, come to one of our free workshops for golfers. You'll find the link in the notes underneath this video. In the meantime, stay active.